Okay. Today we are going to learn goods and service tax, which has been introduced by the government of India in 2017 as GST Act, and immediately our university in entire India was the first university who has introduced in BAF goods and service tax in the same year. Same syllabus we are going to see here, and we are going to learn here. And I hope the syllabus is there with you all. Now let us understand uh, I, a little bit of indirect taxes. Why there is a need of indirect tax? Because in syllabus, like in country like India, where there is a heterogeneity of population, we need to have dual tax structure. Okay, so that is why we have direct and as well as indirect tax. So I think direct tax you have learned in last year, both the semester 3 and 4, and you are aware about direct tax. Today we are going to learn, and now in third year we are going to learn indirect tax. What all we have learned in direct tax, can we have answer? Direct tax में आप लोगों ने क्या क्या पढ़ा? Please send me your answer. What all you have studied in direct taxation? 5 heads. Thank you, Dheeraj. 5 heads of income. Okay. What else? What was those 5 heads of income? Burdens may Meghna, very right. Burdens cannot be shifted. Very correct. Very, very correct. Computation, Megha, computation of total income. Yes, which comprises all 5 heads. Which were those 5 heads, my dear student? Salary, Rushik. Thank you. Meenakshi, Dheeraj, Megha, Pranjal, Rishabh. Okay. Other sources. Jignesh, Dheeraj, Jinans, Vipul. Okay. So I hope आप लोगों ने all 5 heads लिखे रहेंगे. किसी ने एक एक लिखा है, सबने कोई हाउस प्रॉपर्टी लिख रहा है, कोई कैपिटल गेन लिख रहा है, कोई अदर सोर्सेस लिख रहा है. सैलरी लिखा कि नहीं आप लोगों ने? थैंक यू डॉक्टर साक्षी जैन 8206. सैलरी था कि नहीं? लेट मी चेक. सैलरी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सबसे ज्यादा टाइम. यस, जिनांस हैज स्टेटेड सैलरी. Rishabh has also stated salary. Dheeraj has stated salary. Yes, that was very, very important. Okay, so actually I can recollect. Yes, salary, house property, capital gain, other sources, and business and profession. Very correct. So these were the 5 heads which we have learned, and then in subsequently we have learned also how the income set off carry forward can be done, how advance tax can be done, how clubbing of income can be done, how filing of returns can be done, how computation of a partnership firm and their tax liability can be done, so on so forth. So that direct tax is very perfect for you all. Can you tell me why there is a need of indirect tax? Why we need indirect taxation in country like India? And like what we had 5 different heads in income tax, charges on services. Musab, I think Bhati 7943. Don't put privately, otherwise other will not be able to see your answer. Additional revenue, not additional, it is a part of revenue. They required revenue. Because many people do not pay tax. No, 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 no. They do not pay direct tax now, Aman. 7906. Many people do not pay direct tax. Okay. And I have given you the example also. Big people who has a lot of money. Yes. Thank you, Aman. So big people you have seen in the news also, right? Sometimes, okay, they have not paid appropriate for services, not enjoying. Yes, whenever you will charge now, it is. So why there is a need of indirect tax? Why indirect tax? Why indirect tax? Can you tell me why there is a need of indirect tax in country like India? To control inflation. Okay, Krishna, 8208. To have government revenue? No. The basic philosophy for indirect tax that first and foremost you all no, that is for Mohit. That is for other sources. If we are not having any foreheads, that can be part of other sources. Direct tax. In the yes, Deepa, more appropriate. In how? In what sense? Yes, Neha, very right. Neha Chauhan. It is applied for everyone, rich and poor, for everyone. Direct tax is a best tax structure whereby it is payable to and payable by for everyone. Even the foreign citizens coming to India, they need to pay. You have seen in direct tax system that direct tax to pay direct tax you have to have the residential status, and then different residential tax status has different type of levied of tax. In different way their income is charged. Okay, but as far as indirect tax is concerned, it is common for all. And there is a feature of direct tax also. More the income, more will be the tax. Okay, it is most important source. Yes, today also you'll find Rishabh very rightly stated that government revenue, majority of the government revenue they are collecting by way of indirect tax. Okay, can you all tell me the reason? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Direct tax government is unable to collect and indirectly they are able to collect. Any answer? Okay. See, as the word rightly stating, indirect. So even though you are paying, you never realize that you are paying the tax to the government, and you are happily paying. Okay, as I have rightly stated, before your birth and after your death, tax will be there. There is no alternative for that. So similarly, the indirect tax phenomena, everyone is paying, but they never realize. They enjoy. Okay, someone has rightly for enjoying the services, we are paying tax. No, to get the services also we are paying the tax. Okay, and when there is a services, when there is a tax, there is a revenue to the government. Everybody knows, but indirectly they enjoy those payment of tax, and they never found it as burden. Okay, like अभी अपने कॉलेज में ही देखो आईवी के लिए एंड ऑल how many students, approaching and paying, right? Because I told you the indirect tax और direct tax का example मैंने दिया था फीस जो आपके ऊपर चार्ज होता है और आप पे करते हो. सपोज कॉलेज को यू आर कंसिडरिंग एज अ गवर्नमेंट, ओके, एंड यू बीइंग द एसएससी, ओके. सो अगर आपको एसएससी में मानता हूं और कॉलेज को गवर्नमेंट मानता हूं, तो मैंने क्या किया, आपके ऊपर फीस लेविट करी और आपने फीस बेयर करी. इट इज डायरेक्ट वे. नाउ लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ आईवी फीस. इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट का जो पैसा लिया जाता है, एक्चुअली इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट का पैसा किसके ऊपर चार्ज होता है? इट इज चार्ज टू द टूर ऑपरेटर. टूर ऑपरेटर वो जो बर्डन है वो शिफ्ट कर देता है कॉलेज हायर अथॉरिटीज. कॉलेज हायर अथॉरिटीज शिफ्ट कर देता है एचओडीज. एचओडी शिफ्ट कर देता है स्टाफ. स्टाफ शिफ्ट कर देते हैं स्टूडेंट. एंड अल्टीमेटली स्टूडेंट इज पेइंग द अमाउंट. सो अगर आप गए भी हो और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो दे विल नॉट आस्क यू, दे विल आस्क फ्रॉम द टूर ऑपरेटर. So there are so many, in between. Indirectly, you are paying to the people. यानी होटल वाले को इनडायरेक्टली मिलेगा, देने वाला है स्टूडेंट, बट मिलेगा थ्रू टूर ऑपरेटर. टूर ऑपरेटर विल गेट थ्रू कॉलेज, लाइक दैट. So indirectly they are getting the revenue. Similarly, in indirect tax, government is indirectly getting the revenue. It is actually imposed on manufacturer. Manufacturer is uh, shifting the burden to the retailer. Retailer is shifting the burden to consumer, and ultimately consumer is paying, but again it is transferred by manufacturer. So this is the indirect tax structure, basic concept. So indirectly it is going to the government. Like if we'll take the direct tax, is directly SSC to government, okay. And indirect tax, okay, actually consumer to retailer, retailer to wholesaler, wholesaler to dealer, dealer to manufacturer, and manufacturer to government. ऐसा जाता है. So indirectly we are paying to the government. Okay. So देने वाला कंज्यूमर होता है, लेने वाला गवर्नमेंट होता है. इन बिटवीन दीज आर देयर. ओके. नाउ what was these were the benefit. Okay, indirect tax, everyone is to pay. You cannot avoid indirect tax. Government is getting highest revenue from indirect tax. Right now many of you is not paying direct taxes, but all of you are paying indirect taxes. Whether it is foreign citizen or Indian citizen, they all are paying indirect taxes. So these are lot of advantage as far as indirect tax is concerned. Okay. Now the things is, suppose government has started asking, why manufacturer kindly pay the amount of tax which has been imposed to you. Earlier I'm talking about the system. Manufacturer will say ki, sir, I have not collected from dealer. Dealer will say, sir, I have not collected from wholesaler. Wholesaler will say, I have not collected from retailer. And likewise, there were lot of loopholes. And even being the manufacturer, there were lot many tax. Okay, suppose you have paid service tax, they will say you have not paid VAT. If you have paid service tax and VAT, they will say you have not paid central excise. I mean, याद है, मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल वापस रिकलेक्ट करवाऊंगा कि अगर कभी आपको ट्रैफिक में किसी ने पकड़ लिया, so then what will happen, they will ask first for your license दिखाएंगे, then they will ask you for PUC दिखाएंगे, they will ask for the insurance. मतलब किसी ना किसी बहाने से you will be trapped. Okay. So what we follow the best means, साहब इग्याना, and the things was there. It was earlier system, but since GST came into existence, the things has been drastically changed. I told you this is one of the revolution what the government of India has done. for all of us. Okay, this is our syllabus. Okay, introduction of indirect taxation, levy and collection, time, place. This all we are going to learn in due course. Okay, this is semester 6 syllabus. Okay, these are the things which we are going to discuss in semester 5 in detail. Okay, need of GST. These are the definition. Many definitions are repetition. एंड इट इज सेम. बिजनेस आपने पहले देखा रहेगा, गुड्स आपने पहले देखा रहेगा, पर्सन आपने पहले देखा रहेगा. बहुत सारे डेफिनेशन ऐसे हैं जो यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड एंड अगेन इट इज देयर, बट ओनली द subsections got changed. Okay, so there are many subsection, but out of them these many definitions are important for you. So that is what I was dealing with you all. कि आपने सेंट्रल एक्साइज ड्यू दे दिया तो वैट नहीं बोलेगा, वैट दे दिया तो बोलेगा सर्विस टैक्स नहीं दिया, सर्विस टैक्स दे दिया तो बोलेगा ऑक्ट्राई नहीं दिया. सो व्हाट इवन बिजनेसमैन यूज्ड टू गेट कंफ्यूज. अरे भाई हम टैक्स सीखने के लिए बैठे हैं, हम बिजनेस करने के लिए बैठे हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव सिंप्लीफाइड. बोला भाई ये सब नहीं चाहिए अपने को, और इतने सारे रूपहोल्स नहीं चाहिए अपने को. Let us go directly and let us have one country. You know what was the a slogan for direct tax, indirect tax, GST? One country, one tax. Am I right? If you can recollect, one country, one tax. Okay, so that is how GST came into existence, and it is one of the best tax. Now, what will happen in this GST? You'll find none of them can be escape themselves. They'll have to pay the tax. I'll take you to the example like here. Once wholesaler is charging, right, and they are asking for the benefit of ITC, first they need to pay the tax, then only they will get the benefit. And retailer to consumer, first they need to pay the tax, then only they'll get the benefit. So it's very, very important that everyone is paying and directly intimating to the government. If suppose wholesaler will not pay, retailer will not buy from those wholesaler. Why? Because ultimately then retailer has to bear the tax of 25 rupees. If suppose whole consumer is retailer is wholesaler has not paid, then retailer has to bear. And if manufacturer has not paid, then wholesaler has to bear. Likewise, so now everyone is in tax bracket. Everyone has to keep the record. Everyone have to show the. अभी वो पहला वाला सिस्टम नहीं रह गया जो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बता रहा था थ्रू योर चैट बॉक्स. So everyone is liable to keep the record. Everyone has to keep the record. Everyone is paying tax sincerely, and it is a collection to the government. And you must have seen we have created history as far as collection of GST is concerned. India has made a record. इतना ज्यादा टैक्स इसके पहले इंडिया में कभी कलेक्ट नहीं किया गया था. So this is the one kind of say miracle and evaluation or revaluation in the tax structure since we have the tax structure. If I can ask you to recollect, you have studied Income Tax Act 1961 and Income Tax Rule 1962 last year. Am I right? ये दोनों चीजें आपने पढ़ी थी. तो आपको क्या लगा before 1961 and I have rightly stated that taxation is there since civilization. जहाँ civilization है वहाँ tax है. So can you think that before 1961 there were no tax, people were not paying tax, or government has no revenue? Okay, you talk about Indian independence 1947, thereafter or prior to that Britishers, there were no tax structure, there were no tax imposition on the people who are residing on the civil society. Get me the answer. Was it so? Or there was tax before 1962 also? I want your answer. Please be quick. Prior to 1961, there was tax or not? Thank you, Rustin. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Dr. Shakshi. Yes, there was. Okay. Thank you, Rushik. I told you, since civilization, since inception, the tax was there. The nomenclature was different. Even in India, yes, of course, income tax has been imposed from 1961. But before that, there was indirect tax. Thank you, Kishan. Thank you, Musab Bhati. Before that, also taxation was there. And those were known as indirect tax. Those were indirect taxes. Okay. And from that and why 1961? Because prior to that, there were no effective income to the citizen. आज भी देखो, there is a tax slab which you have learned. If you are earning 2,50,000, less than 2,50,000, there is no tax. Can you get me those tax slab? 0 to 2,50,000 nil. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. So get me the answers. Tax slab. आप लोगों ने भी filing of return किया है. What is the tax slab? What was rather? चलो अभी नया अगर आपको याद नहीं है तो पुराना तो याद होना चाहिए. Yes. Thereafter, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 10 and above. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Sunita. Okay. So still there is a system. Thank you, Soeb. So still there is a system whereby progressive tax structure is there. Yes, 5, 10, 20, 30, like that. Okay. So whereby there is no income, no tax. But ऐसे government कैसे चलेगा? Which is not there for indirect tax structure. Whereby once you'll buy, even though you are not earning, if you are availing the services, you are buying the goods, you need to pay the tax. So this structure, this system should be very, very important. That is why I told you the indirect tax system is very important. Okay. And that is why in India or many countries, they have, and India particularly to be very precise, which is not purely capitalist country nor purely socialist country, we need to have such kind of tax structure, okay, whereby directly and indirectly you pay to the government has a option to get the revenue directly and indirectly from the people at large, and that is how the things are very, very important, and that's why government is earning highest amount of tax through indirect tax system. Okay. Earlier there was senvat, and government revenues almost 80, 70 to 80% was contributed by senvat, central excise, whereby the tax is imposed as and when the goods now as a service has been initiated or produced, supply is started, तभी से tax impose हो जाता है. Like many of you are not paying tax because you have not started earning income. Okay, many of uh, many of you are not paying house property tax because you do not have house property. Many of you have not paying the business and profession income because you do not have any business or you do not have profession as such. But all of you are paying indirect taxes. All of you are paying GST now, which is very commonly known, goods and service tax. whenever you are buying any goods or you are availing any services or you are rendering any services, okay, yeah, if you are rendering, you'll be charging. If you are availing, you'll be paying. So it's and that is why in GST we have started the concept of supply, which is very very important for all of us to learn. Okay, so this all we are going to learn in days to come. ओके ये सारी चीजें मैंने आपके लिए बना रखी है. दिस इज मोर और लेस आर सिलेबस. हम लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ने वाले हैं. दिस सेमेस्टर 6, सेमेस्टर 5, एवरीथिंग इज देयर विद अस. I just wanted to know, because last few minutes left, 5 minutes left. Just tell me what is the role of a faculty in this pandemic, because आपको पता है पढ़ाने के अलावा, being the coordinator, it is my moral duty that I should make my student that effective citizen. What is the role of a faculty? What is the role of a student? What is the role of entrepreneur in this pandemic? I want your answer. Yes, GST तक का हो गया. Okay, now let us understand this cause also and this effect also. Tell me. As far as role of faculty is concerned, ma'am has stated to you, I am telling you, we are doing it. Okay. Okay. We started learning through FDP. हम लोगों ने 3-4 महीने सीखे, and now we are on the, from in virtual mode. We are teaching to you all. We are interacting you all through e-learning, through e-platform. So we are performing. I told you I have created, your um, YouTube, whereby more than 60 videos I have uploaded. I have created for you the website. I know you cannot go to the different bookstore or library. You cannot avail the book. All the books are, maximum books are available there. Start studying from there. We have created bridge course material for you all. Have you got that bridge course material or not? GST. Yes, very correct, Sakshi. It is a humble request. Everyone do follow the rules of government. Stay at home. Stay safe. When comes online education, do follow the system. So shall we should upgrade ourselves. Stay connected to togetherness, and let's hope for the best. Very correct. Very correct. I'm very happy, Vita. So this is one rule of a student. Very, very correct. And I want you all, including Dr. Shakshi Jain, that everyone to be as a good citizen first. Okay, learning, yes, it is available. I have sent you the material also. You can start studying from there. Why there was a GST, what is direct and indirect taxes, uh, um, uh, and why there is a very importance of indirect taxes in country like India, because there is a heterogeneity of population. Some has very very high income, some has very very low income, some has moderate income, some has little income, some has middle income. So there are heterogeneity. So such kind of tax structure should be there in country like India. So, faculty, being the faculty, you must have seen, you ask your friend. Our college is the first college who took this initiative. Be as your friend. We know you are missing everything. That is why we are making this platform whereby you all together can learn. And I found today, I found by the student that They are very, very happy with the way the things are moving. They many of them they have responded, sir, this is far better than classroom teaching. I will okay, fine. You go to the higher authorities. We enjoy any kind of teaching. For me, there is no difference, right? Whether that was chalk and talk, and this is through online. Okay. Once again, I'll request the CR to kindly keep the screenshot for the attendance purpose and subsequently send it to me. Still, I have not got other than Dr. Sakshi Jain. What is the role of a student in this pandemic? Being A division student, I expected something. Can I have your answer, please? Are you enjoying this online learning? Yes, TY BAF, A division student. Yes, चलो अभी आंसर चालू हो गया. यस यस यस, तो वही मैं इसके पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा था भाई. ओके ओके ओके, तो मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए, यू बीइंग द स्टूडेंट ऑफ such a professional college, such a professional course, that you should follow whatever Sakshi has rightly stated, all the norms by the government. Please help the poor. I know many of you are associated with NGOs. I'm very happy few student has wrote their research paper and published. Go to the uh, you know different universities, even Oxford, even Cambridge has online courses. Please do those online courses. So there are many activity which you can do online in this pandemic situation, which will give you lot of benefit in days to come. So it's very, very important. Yes, Dinans. Yes, yes, that is why I'm telling you. So utilize this time. And many of you other student, very good, very good, Dheeraj, very good. Online finance courses. Please do that. Do the internship. Very, very correct. So do these things. These are the role of a student. These are the role of a student during pandemic. What you are doing, and we expect all of you to do that. So be at home, be safe. We'll be again meeting for the GST remaining part in upcoming lectures. So bye, take care, all of you. Be at home and be safe. Thank you very much for attending the lecture, all of you. Thank you, Vita. Thank you, Pranjal. Thank you, Rishabh.